Oi, I'm Obi Joseph. In today's video, I'm fixing up the F250. You may recall I got this thing a couple months back and it's been sitting here staring at me as I get ready for work every day and leave. It's just been watching me, wondering when I'm going to fix it. Got the parts in it to fix it. Got a gas tank, fuel pump, and fuel sending unit. We're going to get this thing dialed. Let's see if the Mountaineer has what it takes to tow the F250 out of the hole. Man, I did not think the Mountaineer had it in it, but man, it pulled it. Let's take a look at all the stuff that I got for this thing. So this is everything I've got. Let's see what it is. First and foremost, I got a big old battery. Got a new tank. Now this is good bubble wrap right here. Air filter. A new fuel sending unit. Perfect. The reason I'm replacing this, I'm pretty sure the one on the F250, the fuel pickup went bad and it's not allowing gas to suck. So if you recall, the way I had this plumbed up last time was I used the boat tank and I fed the truck with this Edelbrock fuel pump all the way down here and powered it with this speaker wire stuff and got it home. Now it's time to fix it officially. That tank right there looks pretty crusty, so we're going to drop that and put the new one in. Alright, let's try not to drop this on my face. I don't think it's full, but I've been wrong before. Vice grips ought to hold it. It did. Here we go. Yep, I'm getting squished. Just think about my life decisions. I lost my nut. Oh no. It's gone. Gone forever. My shirt. There wasn't a pickup on this thing, but look in there. It is disgusting. There's just all sorts of stuff floating at the bottom. Yeah, I'm kind of glad I got a new tank. Yeah, I'm still going to use that gas, but it's in lawnmowers and stuff. Not in here. So I've got the new tank all dressed up, same as the old one was. And let me tell you, GoPros are handy. I replayed the footage of when I lost the nut. I found it. Had to watch my arm where it hit, and I just searched that area. Got it. I'm going to put this new tank back into the truck and put some gas in it. You know, I don't know why, but it's always easier putting a new tank in than taking an old one out. Probably because there's no gas in it or anything. Whatever. Oh, and I still have to replace the fuel pump, but on this old girl it should be pretty easy. I just blew through the lines. Lines are clear. Both the vent and the return and the feed line are nice and clean, so I'll slap on a new fuel pump and test on it. The old one is out and the new one is going in. Initially run. I'm going to put some gas in the tank. This thing should be good. Alright, so I just put gas in the tank. This thing should fire right up. Oh no. So I got the van running assist, so now we should be fine. No way. Oh. It's running quietly. That's boat trailer. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, violent.
You lost that.
Oh. That was a good streak.